Hi guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video is we're going to unbox another smartwatch, the Fiypo Fy16. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel. And we have here another smartwatch. This is the Fiypo Fy16. You can get this one guys for around $20 to $25 and you can click the link on the description box for you to check it out. Okay, so here is the box guys. So on the top, so we have here the Fiypo branding and smartwatch, and as you can see in the middle, there is the smartwatch in black. And on the side, so we have here the features, and at the back, so you have here the specifications: Bluetooth call, 1.69-inch full screen, heart rate monitor, sleep monitoring, multi-sports mode, and message notification. So without further ado guys, let's open the box. Okay, so upon opening guys, so you can see here the smartwatch itself, it's in black. So that's it. And okay, let's see what's inside the box. So we have here the manual or the user guide, and we also have here the straps. Here it's in silicone guys, and also the magnetic charging cable. So as you can see, so here are the straps guys. So as you can see, they have here the latches, so it would be easier for you to connect it onto your watch. So guys, I have attached the straps already. So now let's take this off here, the cover, and voila guys. So we have here our FY16 smartwatch from Fiypo. And as you can see guys, the bezels in the bottom is a little bit big, but on the sides they are not thick. Yes. So on the left, so we have here the speaker grill. I think this is for Bluetooth call. And on the right, so we have here the power on and off button. And at the back, so we have here the sensors and the magnetic pins. Okay, so actually guys, it's a little bit heavy, yes, compared to the other smartwatch, but it feels premium when you hold it. So it kind of make me feel like holding a premium smartwatch, like an expensive one. So let's turn it on guys. So it says there hello, and here it is guys, our smartwatch. This is now the home screen guys. So let's try to long press if we can change it to other watch face. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you've got 5 watch faces guys, so it's all up to you which one you want to use. Okay, and now let's scroll down guys and let's see the features. So we have here the shortcut for settings, the brightness, the flashlight, and Bluetooth call, the weather. All right, and then when we swipe up, so it will direct us to the message, and when you swipe to the right, then we have here the applications, and when we swipe to the left, so we can see the widgets here. Let's see the features guys of this watch. So we have here recent call, heart rate. So as you can see, the sensors are lighting up, and also the blood pressure. It's good guys if you can check it out, your heart rate and your blood pressure. And we also have your oxygen level. So let's try to check our oxygen level guys. So our oxygen level is at 97%. So that's not bad. Just a reminder, guys, the health feature of our smartwatch is only for reference only. So if you want to have a reliable result, you have to use the approved equipment for that. Okay, then we have here the weather. Okay, and shutter. This is for camera remote control. There's also music for the remote control as well, if you want to change the music while you are like running, and you can just use that one. Breath, I like this feature guys because especially this time that most of us are quite stressed. So it will, give us this breathing exercise. Inhale, exhale. It vibrates. It's nice. Flashlight and find phone, and then in the settings, so we have here brightness, reset, power off, and about. So you can see there the model of your smartwatch and language. So this is nice because you can select to the different kind of language or that you want. And we have here the QR code for your synchronization on your smartwatch. Yes. Okay. I will be wearing this watch now. Alright guys, so I am now wearing our Fiypo Fy16 smartwatch, and what can you say? It looks and feels really premium. Yes. So it kind of reminds me of the Xiaomi's and Halo's smartwatch, but this one is also great. If you want to check this product out, you can click the link on the description box and you can shop there. Okay, and if you like this video, guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel, and also press the notification bell for you to be updated of our latest uploads. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next unboxing.